PDG Rodolfo Sivalmata.
PDG Eva Buryati.
PDG Sani Suhani.
DGM Sendarius Lesmana.
DGMD Ari Basuseno.
IPDG Dite Sukardi.
PDG Leonardi Siwo.
PDG Budi Suhardi.
PDG Rosiana Wiguna.
PDG Raju dan Sirgani.
PDG Sumantoro Rajimat.
PDG Sadana Mulyono.
PDG Hidayat J. Cokro Joyo.
PDG Emrino AC.
PDG Kelik J. Sugiarto.
PDG Suja Niko.
PDG Natalia Subagio.
PDG Willy W. Viguna. D34 tahun 2025. Dengan nama Allah yang Maha Pengasih dan Maha Penyayang. Ya Allah, ya Rahman, pada hari ini di Imperial Ballroom Grand Hotel Yogyakarta, kami berkumpul dalam acara District Conference Rotary Day 3410 tahun 2025. Dengan mohon ridho dan izin-Mu, ya Allah, berkahilah dan lancarkanlah seluruh rangkaian acara ini, serta jadikanlah acara ini menjadi kegiatan yang bermanfaat bagi kemajuan organisasi Rotary yang kami cintai ini. Ya Allah, ya Tuhan kami, jadikanlah acara District Conference ini sebagai lambang dari karya dan karsa kami, kekompakan kami, persatuan kami, dan kesatuan di antara kami. Ya Allah, ya Wahid, Engkau yang Maha Satu dan Maha Mempersatukan. Kami mohon perkuatlah persatuan di antara kami. Janganlah Engkau biarkan ada perpecahan di antara kami. Kami ingin senantiasa diberikan kekuatan dalam persatuan, ikatan persaudaraan kami, agar kami dapat terus menyebarkan kebaikan dan memberikan pelayanan kemanusiaan yang tulus bagi masyarakat dan bangsa ini. Ya Allah, ya Ghafur, Engkau yang Maha Pengampun atas segala dosa dan kesalahan. Ampunilah dosa dan kesalahan kami, dosa kedua orang tua kami, dosa para pemimpin kami, serta dosa para senior kami, sahabat kami dan saudara kami, para distrik governor dan Rotarian yang telah mendahului kami, di mana kami begitu banyak mendapatkan pengetahuan, inspirasi, teladan, dan bimbingan selama kami bersama-sama berkiprah, berkarya di dalam organisasi Rotary yang kami cintai ini. Ya Allah, ya Tuhan kami, tempatkanlah kami dan mereka selama ini, semua ini di dalam lindungan dan rahmat serta ampunan. Ya Allah yang Maha Pengasih dan Penyayang, anugerahilah kepada kami semua rasa cinta dan kasih sayang terhadap sesama, serta rukunkan kami semua yang hadir ini tanpa membeda-bedakan status sosial, agama, suku maupun perbedaan lainnya di antara kami. Dan jadikanlah kami orang-orang yang senantiasa bersyukur dan berterima kasih atas limpahan rahmat, berkah, dan karunia-Mu yang tidak terbatas. Ya Allah yang Mujib, Engkau yang Maha mengabulkan doa, terimalah doa dan permohonan kami. Kabulkanlah doa kami, ya Allah. Berikanlah kepada kami kebaikan di dunia dan kebaikan di akhirat. Dan lindungilah kami dari siksa api neraka. Maha Suci Allah, Tuhan yang mempunyai keperkasaan dari apa yang mereka katakan. Dan segala puji bagi Allah, Tuhan seru sekalian alam. Amin ya Rabbal Alamin. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Committee, PP Tomo, to deliver the committee report. PP Tomo, time is yours.
Big applause.
Big applause.
Selamat siang. Assalamualaikum, Om Swastiastu, salam sejahtera untuk kita semua, namo buddhaya, salam kebajikan. Yang terhormat Kepala Dinas Pemberdayaan Perempuan dan Perlindungan Anak, Pengendalian Penduduk dan Keluarga Berencana, Bapak Wildan Solihin, yang pada kesempatan ini mewakili Bupati Sleman, kami mengucapkan selamat datang dan terima kasih atas kehadirannya. Yang saya hormati fellow Rotarian yang merupakan seluruh peserta District Conference, pertama-tama mari kita panjatkan puji dan syukur kepada kehadiran Tuhan Yang Maha Esa atas rahmat dan karunia-Nya. Kita dapat berkumpul di Yogyakarta untuk mengikuti District Conference kali ini dengan penuh kehangatan keramahan. Kota ini memang tiada duanya. Meski baru 3 tahun berlalu kita berkumpul di tempat ini, tetapi rasa rindu seolah tak pernah surut. Yogyakarta memang penuh istimewa. Adalah tahun kelima kali Kota Pelajar ini menjadi tuan rumah District Conference, sebuah kehormatan dan kebanggaan bagi kita semua. Untuk kembali hadir di kota penuh kenangan dan inspirasi. Saya menyampaikan apresiasi yang setinggi-tingginya kepada seluruh panitia Rotary yang ada di Yogyakarta yang telah bekerja dengan penuh semangat dan kekompakan demi terselenggaranya acara ini dengan sukses. Ucapan terima kasih juga saya sampaikan kepada peserta yang berasal dari dua distrik 341, termasuk distrik 3420 dan negara sahabat seperti Malaysia dan Singapura. Kehadiran 253 peserta dari berbagai wilayah menjadikan konferensi ini yang terbanyak setelah COVID. Kehadiran Anda semua merupakan sebuah kehormatan bagi kami dan akan semakin memperkaya dinamika serta keberhasilan acara ini. Izinkan saya menyapa sahabat kita, Honorary Member Rotarian Dr. Honoris Causa Raymond dan Honorary Member Rotarian Stella yang berasal dari Malaysia yang datang untuk pada acara ini. Kehadiran Anda sangat menambah semangat dan memberi makna dalam pertemuan kali ini. Semoga rangkaian kegiatan yang kita ikuti bersama ini berjalan dengan lancar, membawa manfaat, memperkuat kebersamaan, dan semakin mempererat tali silaturahmi di antara kita semua. Sebagai penutup, saya ingin menyampaikan sepenggal pantun. Pergi ke Malioboro, beli batik, berjalan santai di hari Sabtu. Jogja selalu baik, hati berdetik, baru 3 tahun rindu sudah menunggu. Makan gudeg dekat alun-alun, minumnya dengan jahe secangkir hangat. Terima kasih sudah hadir penuh santun. Semoga persahabatan terus mengalir. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat berselfie.
Sekali lagi, big applause untuk PP Tomo NPI. Terima kasih pada BP Tomo, terima kasih kepada seluruh tim panitia yang sudah bekerja keras. Sekali lagi tepuk tangan yang meriah bagi klub-klub di seluruh distrik kita untuk tumbuh lebih kuat, melayani lebih baik dan memimpin dengan ketulusan.
It is now our honor to welcome our remarkable leader. Please join us in giving a warm welcome to our district governor, the one and only DG Daniel, to deliver his address. DG Daniel, time is yours.
Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm delighted to be here. First of all, let me greet distinguished guests, Rotary International President Representative Stephanie Jurczyk from Rotary McMurray, Pennsylvania, USA, BDG Cindy Bahtiar from Semarang, Turki, Rotary International District 34, Turki, our neighbor, and spouse Pak Arwin. Thank you very much. Yang terhormat Bupati Sleman yang mewakili. Dear Rotarian, hari ini kita berkumpul di sini untuk merayakan 1 tahun pelayanan di Rotary di mana-mana, di Sumatera, di Kalimantan, di Jawa Barat, di Jabodetabek, dan juga di Jogja, di Kebumen, di Purwokerto. Nah, nanti bagian roll call baru lengkap. Oke, sebelum kita berlanjut, saya ingin mengenang Presiden Ricky Wakano, Rotary Year 2425. Saya ingin mengenang Rotarian Mas Rakul Hidayat. Saya ingin mengenang PPFX Franz Bunadi. Kita berharap, kita berdoa untuk mereka yang telah mendahului kita. Saya juga ingin menyambut first timer yang baru pertama kali mengikuti District Conference. Berdiri. 1, 2, 3, 4, 33. MC-nya kita juga first timer, DJ, oh iya, oke, Selfie dan Aji, Jogja itu luar biasa. 33 first timer, 33 Rotarian yang baru pertama kali mengikuti District Conference. Semoga selanjutnya akan bertambah dan bertambah. Tahun ini dipenuhi dengan aktivitas Rotary everywhere. Rotary ada di dalam setiap individu. Rotary ada di dalam setiap kegiatannya. Rotary ada di dalam kepemimpinannya. Rotary ingin berbuat baik. Dan terutama Rotary ada di dalam hati. Karena Rotary ingin mengangkat tinggi nilai utama Rotary itu sendiri. Paguyuban, integritas, leadership, keberagaman, dan pelayanan. Terima kasih. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you sure that you are ready? Rotary Club Indra Mahkota. Rotary Club Novena Singapore. Rotary Club Semarang Kunti. Rotary Club Semarang Bandung Dago, Rotary Club Bandung Kota Kembang, Rotary Club Batam, Rotary Club Bekasi Raya, Rotary Club Cilacap, Rotary Club Cilacap Wijaya Kusuma, Rotary Club di Jakarta Gunawarman, Rotary Club Jogja Tugu, Rotary Club Yogyakarta, Rotary Club Jakarta Barat, Rotary Club Jakarta Sunter Santeria, Rotary Club Jogja Merapi, Rotary Club Jakarta Gambir, Rotary Club Jakarta Menteng, Rotary Club Jakarta, Rotary Club Jakarta Cinere, Rotary Club Jakarta Tamrin, Rotary Club Jakarta Former Cilandak and next become Peace Symbol, hopefully materialized in this year. It's a call. Rotary Club Jakarta Kelapa Gading, Rotary Club Jakarta Central International, Rotary Club Jogja Istimewa, Rotary Club Kebayoran, Rotary Club Lampung Raden Intan, Rotary
Pengadilan Penduduk dan Keluarga Berencana to deliver welcoming remarks. To Bapak Wildan Solihin, Finance Insurance.
Setuju Pak hadirin, saya juga first time hadir di tengah Rotary yang ternyata ikut dan filmnya tidak kalah dengan nomor 2. Mungkin yang terakhir dari Amasar tadi disebut rendah untung bokot. Iya, baik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat siang, salam sejahtera, Om Swastiastu, Salam, Namo Buddhaya, Rahayu. Yang pertama dan utama kita bersyukur pada siang ini bisa bersama-sama di hall ini. Semoga semuanya dalam keadaan sehat walafiat. Yang kami hormati Pak Daniel Iman Suryadi selaku Distrik Gubernur Rotary, kemudian juga yang kami hormati Ibu Cindy Bahtiar selaku Rotary Internasional Presiden Representatif DIG, kemudian juga yang kami hormati para pas Distrik Gubernur dan juga seluruh keluarga besar Rotary se-Indonesia, wabil khusus wilayah Indonesia Barat, 10 berapa tadi? 20. Bapak, mohon maaf, izin saya mewakili Bapak Bupati yang hari ini tidak bisa hadir sendiri untuk memenuhi undangan dari panitia di tempat ini karena ada kegiatan yang tidak bisa diwakilkan dan beliau harus datang sendiri. Jadi posisinya masih di Jakarta, mohon maaf. Dan saya ditugaskan untuk mewakili beliau menyampaikan apa yang menjadi hajat dari panitia konferensi pada siang ini. Ya, jadi Rotary luar biasa kemanfaatnya bagi masyarakat. Dan tadi sedikit di awal saya bertemu dengan Mbak Asti, sedikit bincang-bincang tentang apa yang bisa dikolaborasikan. Dan di surat yang dimohonkan kepada Pak Bupati juga meminta tolong disampaikan sekilas info highlight begitu tentang problem kependudukan problem kemanusiaan di Sleman. Saya yakin ibu bapak yang tinggal di Sleman sudah atau di DIY lah begitu sudah sangat paham tentang itu, sudah sangat bersol bahasa Jawanya, sehingga saya tidak berani untuk bercerita yang banyak. Jadi sedikit saja isu-isu yang saat ini sedang menjadi hot isu begitu adalah adanya fatherless. Fatherless itu adalah ketiadaan peran ayah di dalam pengasuhan keluarga. Ini dinas kami ini menangani kasus-kasus kekerasan anak baik di sekolah maupun di jalanan, dan itu kami konsultasikan dengan IPSI, Asosiasi Psikolog Indonesia yang ada di Sleman, di Jogja. Itu dari berbagai penelitian, rupanya itu juga tidak lepas dari peran ayah yang kurang tadi menyebabkan orientasi tumbuh kembang anak yang menyimpang, termasuk munculnya anak-anak yang mudah bersikap keras, temperamental. Dan ini di Sleman, mohon maaf, yang dari luar Sleman, kekerasan di jalanan itu sering disebut sebagai killing. Walaupun kita tidak ingin menyebut sebagai killing, tapi kriminal jalanan ini dilakukan oleh anak sesama anak. Jadi ini dari tadi siang saya juga koordinasi dengan Bapak Kapolresta Sleman juga bercerita banyak hal, kasus itu sudah balik ada. Nah, ini bagian dari bagaimana kemudian kita ingin membangun keluarga, membangun masyarakat itu berangkat dari keluarga. Karena masalah anak seperti ini yang tumbuh kembangnya nggak bagus, ini dampak negatif dari sebuah keluarga yang tidak harmonis, yang tidak bagus untuk tumbuh kembang anak. Sehingga bagaimana kami punya tugas berat untuk membuat terobosan-terobosan untuk mengedukasi masyarakat yang sebanyak-banyaknya. Hanya saja karena itu sebuah edukasi, tol ukurnya memang tidak bisa cepat. Mengubah mindset manusia itu tidak bisa cepat. Ada satu penelitian membiasakan anak kecil untuk rajin gosok gigi saja butuh waktu 21 hari. Itu pun belum tentu hasilnya dia akan rajin gosok gigi. Nah, itu satu contoh kecil bahwa mengubah perilaku manusia itu tidak mudah. Nah, inilah Ibu Bapak. Rotary ada tentunya kami harapkan bisa mensupport hal-hal yang dibutuhkan masyarakat, yaitu menjadi real problematika di masyarakat. Karena itu mudah-mudahan ke depan akan semakin banyak item-item, banyak kegiatan-kegiatan yang bisa disupport oleh Rotary ini. Saya yakin dengan antusiasme teman-teman yang di belakang tadi dari Jogja, istimewa itu tentunya akan bisa membantu DIY dengan 5 kabupaten kotanya ini untuk menjadi eksis dalam melaksanakan tugas mengemban memberikan layanan kepada masyarakat yang sebesar-besarnya. Itu isu tentang fatalitas. Kemudian juga isu KDRT tentang gender, keadilan gender. Jadi kita sudah bicara pada keadilan gender, bukan hanya kesetaraan gender. Jadi tentunya itu Bapak sudah paham ya, bedanya antara kesetaraan gender dengan keadilan gender ya. Kemudian kami juga punya data ya Bapak. Ini mungkin nanti juga bisa menarik untuk dicermati. Angka perceraian di Sleman itu selalu paling tinggi di 5 kabupaten kota ini. Dan ketika kami breakdown dari angka perceraian itu, ternyata yang cerai karena gugat cerai, bukan talak. Jadi cerainya ada 2 kategori, gugat dan talak. Yang gugat itu ternyata lebih tinggi daripada yang talak. Artinya bahwa cerai inisiatif dari istri itu lebih besar, lebih banyak daripada cerai karena inisiatif suami. Nah, saya pernah ditanya Ibu Bapak, Pak Kadis, apakah itu karena edukasi tentang kesetaraan gender di masyarakat sudah bagus, sehingga perempuan-perempuan berani untuk menggugat cerai suaminya gitu. Saya tidak berani menjawab karena bukan by survei, bukan bagi riset. Jadi saya hanya berselata saja, bisa jadi seperti itu. Tetapi saya tidak ingin menjawab seperti itu. Ini faktanya. Faktanya bahwa tingkat perceraian juga tinggi. KDRT masih ada. Tetapi kami punya banyak cara untuk mengedukasi masyarakat dan mendampingi mereka, baik perempuan maupun anak. Itu bagian kasus utama di kami. Ketika tadi Bu Cindy juga diskusi dengan saya, dan kalau kita mengedukasi masyarakat tentang kesetaraan gender itu yang diundang perempuan saja, enggak Bu. Kami juga ada yang laki-laki. Kita memahamkan tentang gender itu, kalau yang diundangnya perempuan saja, yang laki nggak paham. Nggak paham, bagaimana mau mengharmoniskan satu bahan juga paham, dan ini malah jadi pertentangan. Sehingga harus dijadikan kedua belah pihak, sehingga sama-sama punya mindset yang sama. Jadi ini Bapak program kemanusiaan kami, tidak banyak yang ingin saya ungkap, tapi itu hanya sekilas info, highlightnya seperti itu. Dan mudah-mudahan ke depan Rotary bisa punya kegiatan yang bisa membantu kami untuk lebih banyak memberikan kemanfaatan kepada masyarakat tentunya. Jadi itu saja sementara yang kami bisa sampaikan, dan izin hari ini kami diminta untuk membuka resmi acara pada siang ini. Saya harus menghafalkan acaranya, jadi ketika membuka kalau acaranya nggak tepat itu nanti nggak afdol gitu kan. Ibu Bapak yang kami hormati semuanya, dengan mengucap Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Distrik Friend Rotary D3410 tahun 2025 di Yogyakarta ini dengan resmi saya nyatakan dibuka. Terima kasih. Semoga dengan dibukanya secara resmi acara konferensi ini, Rotary akan semakin sukses ke depan dan semakin banyak memberikan kemanfaatan kepada masyarakat, dan Ibu Bapak semua dalam keadaan senantiasa sehat walafiat.
Amin.
Izin untuk menutup dengan pantun juga, karena tak elok gitu. Tolong jawabannya semuanya bukan cakep, karena sudah tidak cakep. Tapi kita masih butuh yang jos. Jadi nanti semuanya jos. Gitu. Berjemurlah berjemur. Jos. Berjemur di tepi pantai. Bersyukurlah bersyukur karena sambutan saya sudah selesai. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih kepada Bapak Info dan mohon itu di atas panggung, Bapak.
Hadirin yang kami hormati, kini kita telah tiba pada momen yang sangat istimewa, yaitu opening ceremony Rotary District Conference 3410 tahun 2020. Momen ini adalah simbol dari kebersamaan kita, penghargaan terhadap para pemimpin dan awal dari perjalanan penuh inspirasi 2 hari ke depan.
We have now arrived at a very special moment, the opening ceremony. To begin the opening ceremony, we would like to invite the following Rotary leaders to join us on stage. RI Representative PDG Cindy Bahtiar, DG Daniel, DGA Sani,
Mohon juga untuk ke atas panggung DGND Senda, PDG Eva, PDG Klik, PDG Sadana, dan juga PP Tomo.
To mark the official opening of this conference, we will symbolically launch the conference with a digital button press, a gesture of uniting, action, and shared commitment.
Kami persilakan kepada PDG Cindy Bahtiar dan DG Daniel untuk menempatkan diri di depan tombol digital.
And now, let's count down together in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press the button!
Rotary District Conference 2025 secara resmi dibuka.
Hey, the Rotary District Conference 2025 is now officially begun. Let's give a big round of applause and cheer to mark the beginning of an unforgettable journey.
Selanjutnya kepada para tamu kehormatan yang berada di atas panggung untuk melakukan foto bersama. Momen ini akan menjadi pengingat semangat kepemimpinan dan kolaborasi untuk menjadi jiwa Rotary.
Baik, disilakan untuk menempatkan diri dan untuk yang pertama pose resmi terlebih dahulu.
Oke,
3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Selanjutnya pose 5 hands.
5 hand, 5 hand.
Also my hand, also my hand. Ya.
Oke, tapi dibalik supaya si jarinya tidak kelihatan.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oke.
Terima kasih dan kami persilakan untuk kembali ke tempat. Ya, dan luar biasa sekali ya Rotarian Aji ya. To PDG Sadana, please welcome on stage to introduce RI President Representative.
Good afternoon, fellow Rotarians. Selamat siang. Sudah pada ngantuk? Belum. Oke. May I introduce to you all Rotarians to PDG Tini Bahtia, the Rotary International Representative. She is a businesswoman and Rotarian from Semarang Kunti, the largest Rotary club in Semarang. She holds a bachelor's degree in accounting and Parahyangan Catholic University, and also a Master of Management degree from Citibank University. She began career in corporation, spending over decade at ABN AMRO, to the latest position as Vice President, Corporate Division, Head of Pharmacy, Chemical, Energy. Her work is focused on portfolio management, corporation, loan holding, big corporation as a Conimax, Dexa Medica, Pertamina, Aneka Tambang, Kaltim, Primaco, etc. After getting married in 2004, she lived in Semarang with her husband and raised a beautiful twin daughters. She is now a president director of Alamanda Group, developing hundreds of housing supply business in Semarang, namely Alamanda Residence, Alamanda Village, Alamanda Range. She also runs a Vina House, a multi-purpose venue of office space, wedding, MICE, and private event. Besides running business on home now, she also assists her husband business involving manufacture and exporting furniture as well as seafood industry. She joined very long ago in 2004 and served as president in Rotary Club of Semarang County. The year of 2015 and 2016, where the club received a Best of the Best Club Award in that time. Her leadership role akin to visit Governor District 3,420 year 2021 and 2022. As the District Foundation Chair 2022 till 2025. And starting July in 2025, she served as Rotary Membership Coordinator Region 10, comprising of District 3,410 and District 3,120, as well as Pakistan, District 3,271. As a DMRFC, District 3,420 achieved the first rank of annual fund giving of 2 consecutive years in receiving multiple recognition from the Rotary Foundation from 2022 until now. She led a sports impacting service project, including mobile dental clinic worth 35,819, providing free dental services to remote as central of Java. 1,275 toilet project worth 86,098. Building over 1,275 household toilets in underserved villages to reduce open defecation and improve hygiene. Toilet of people with disability worth 3,000, promoting include throughout service and sanitary infrastructure. E-mobile library worth $35,000. A mobile unit that brings digital and printed learning material for children in natural schools. 10,000 masks distributed from Grand Rotary to COVID-19 pandemic sponsors across Java and Bali. EVA mobile clinic worth $45,161 over ensure screening and education for women, suburban and natural communities.
now outside her activity. She also active in education, youth development. She is a former chairperson of Mataram School Foundation in Semarang, which runs early childhood to vocational transfer program. And since 2017, she has been a board of director to AISEC. I don't know how to spell it. AIESEC, or in English, International Association Student Economic and Commercial Science. Central of Java consists of several universities such as Diponegoro University, Semarang University, Sukian Pranoto University, Dian Nuswantoro University, Soko Global University. She also proudly mother two twin daughters. And her hobby is cycling and traveling. Please welcome our representative, Siti Bahtiar to come in. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Still awake, right? Okay. So I want to greet first of all to District Governor Daniel and my beloved also PDG Willy, PDG Natalia, PDG Rudy, PDG Nico, PDG Kelly, PDG Rido, PDG Eva, PDG Hidayat, PDG Sadana, PDG Sam, PDG Raju, PDG Rosiana, PDG Budi, my classmate, PDG Rio, and I PDG Dieter, DG Isani, DG Ensenda, and DG Endi Ari. All ages, all club presidents, all beloved Rotary members, and especially thank you for Rotarian coming from Semarang to support me. Thank you. And also especially for my beloved husband, Ari. Thank you. Next. It is a great joy for me to be here with you all today in this beautiful and historic city of Yogyakarta. A city filled with culture, tradition, warmth, and kindness. Qualities that are also at the heart of Rotary. I'm past District Governor Cindy Bahtiar. I'm here on behalf of Rotary International President Stephanie Urching to bring her warmest greetings, appreciation, encouragement, as well as messages to all of you in District 3410. I'm truly honored to serve as her representative. Our theme this year is very simple, yet powerful. The magic of Rotary. But what does that really mean? President Stephanie says, we are not bring peace to the world and polio and grow membership by waving a wand and saying some funny word. It's up to you. Rotary is not about magic trick. The real magic is what you and I create through actions. So, when we work together to bring hope, peace, and change to the world around us, that means action. The magic of Rotary happens when a child receives clean water for the first time. A student gets a scholarship that changes her future. A club helps a village recover from disaster. A young person is inspired to live because someone believes in them. And when someone walks into a Rotary meeting and hears, "You are welcome here," that's the kind of magic we are talking about. Not fantasy, but real, it's human impact. President Stephanie reminds us, belonging is the magic of Rotary itself. When we create clubs where people feel welcome, accepted, and valued, they will stay, they will grow, and they serve with passion. That's why we must build a strong culture of belonging. This means listening to each other, embracing diversity, supporting new members, and making sure everyone knows they are part of something meaningful. The first message is action plan. The world today is not the same it was when Rotary began at 1905. Demographics have shifted. The pace of change has accelerated, and technology has created new opportunities for connection and service. What hasn't changed is a need for the values that define Rotary. We are fellowship, integrity, diversity, service, leadership, Rotary. Plan honors our past and embraces our future. Rotary's action plan is designed to help us to achieve the priorities and objectives that the members, participants, and communities around the world identified as essential for fulfilling our vision statements. The action plan is the Rotary strategic plan, work as a guide for club to elevate experiences they provide in their presence in communities. The plan is a sustainable approach for leading our organizations, members, and participants to meaningful connection and service. Each of the 4 priorities of action plan has specific objectives that give us a sustainable approach for supporting healthy organization, providing a positive, engaging experience for members and participants, as well as creating lasting change in the world. When we come to impact, create engagement, and adapt are the 4 priorities. The lens that the club should utilize when thinking about long-term planning and how to enhance the club experience. Next message is the presidential emphasis. This year, Rotary International President puts peace building as one of the top priorities. One of the most effective ways which can build peace is with our Rotary Peace Fellowship, through which peace and development professionals learn how to prevent and end the conflict. In order to provide opportunity for peace builders from across the Rotary world to convene with a focus on promoting peace and exchanging ideas. Rotary International held 2025 Rotary Presidential Peace Conference at Hilton Bomonti Hotel and Conference in Istanbul, Turkey on 20 to 22nd of February 2025. The conference also celebrated the launch of our new Rotary Peace Center in the Middle East and North Africa regions in partnership with Bahçeşehir University in Istanbul and coincided with the first cohort of fellows studying at the center. The new Rotary Peace Center are launched thanks to 15.5 million gift from the Otto and Transborder Foundation for the contribution. The other message is, this one is important, about membership. We are a global membership organization with more 1.2 million people of action. In more than 45,000 clubs working together to bring positive change to communities worldwide. Membership in Rotary and Rotary clubs offers people leadership and development opportunities, professional and development opportunities, friendship, and opportunities to give it back through meaningful service and a place where people can socialize, network, and connect each other. Increasing membership is vital, but so is giving our members a reason today to stay in the Rotary. In a typical year, we welcome around 150,000 new members into our Rotary Club. But unfortunately, we lose a similar number each year, with approximately 10% of new Rotary Club members leaving within the same year they join. Rotary offers many resources to help Rotary grow by embracing new and innovative club models. Welcome more diverse participants, encourages new ideas and perspective from the next generation of leaders, and also offers meaningful ways for others to unite with us and take action. New clubs can complement the work and public image of existing clubs and lead to growth in areas where Rotary is not currently thriving. At the moment, District 3410 has 43 clubs with less than 900 members, which needs extraordinary work to achieve the mandatory target for Rotary International with minimum 1,100 members by end of June 2026. With the strategic membership plan and the utmost support from senior leaders and also all Rotary members, I believe the target given by Rotary International will be achieved. Are you ready, Ibu Sani? Okay, give applause to Ibu Sani. I trust your capability and extensive network, you will easily reach the target. Thank you. Please support Ibu Sani and the following meeting. Thank you. The district governor, together with AGs, emphasized the club presidents to put more attention to members, especially new members. Also, new members must receive Rotary information, and also they have to experience a welcoming experience in the club. Now we come to the volume message. polio eradication remains Rotary's highest priority. The GATE Foundation 2-to-1 match continues to support the Rotary Foundation Polio Plus fundraising efforts. 3 billion children have been immunized against polio since 1979. Maybe Rotary also asks, who is our partner in polio global eradication? Rotary International partners with World Health Organization, U.S. Center for Disease Control and Prevention, with CDC, and United Nations Children Fund, UNICEF, Gates Foundation, and also Gavi, the producer of vaccine. Due to the efforts of Rotary and polio eradication partner, while polio virus cases has been reduced to 99.9%. This worldwide partnership has reduced cases to historic lows, and while polio virus was concentrated in just 2 countries, which is Afghanistan and Pakistan. However, unfortunately, it has been discovered lately a new outbreak in Indonesia recently. 10 kids in Banten and West Java was found infected with polio. Those 2 provinces are located in District 3410. Therefore, it will need your attention in eradicating polio in those areas. The Polio Plus program is committed to reaching every child with polio vaccine to ensure that they are protected from paralysis due to the polio virus. Our next topic is grants. What makes grant possible is the financial support of individual Rotary members. Make your personal contribution and invite each and every members of your club to make a personal contribution at all time. Leading by example is meaningful. Participation creates ownership and pride, while enthusiastic personal participation means more resources are available for your club to take action on the projects that mean most to you. Rotary's Promise Club status is awarded to clubs with 100% members endowment support, gift, or commitment of $1,000 or more by each club member to the endowment. Next. Recurring annual support provides for program today, while outright and planned gift to the Rotary's endowment provides support forever. The Rotary Foundation has a goal to build the endowment of $2 billion gift commitment and asset by June 2025. Creating your Rotary legacy will provide future support from the one you love. I would like to thank you for the donors who have contributed to the Rotary Foundation, especially thanks to my beloved PDG Eva Kuniati, and of course the late PDG Musaid Jazali, who are AKS members of District Reform 10 across the India, and also PP Makiko Iskandar from District Reform 20. Thank you for your generosity. I would also like to recognize Meli Leonora Tarlim, a member of the Rotary International Bequest Society who reside in Cirebon. All her society members commit to contribute at least $1,000 every year to the annual fund of Polio Plus, disaster response, or approve global grant. Celebrate donors in your club. They did at this level by emphasizing their extraordinary dedication and impact. Ask them to proudly wear their PHF chevron, like this, from the family of All Harris, to encourage others to join. Thanking PHS members in presentation and personally, as well as personally contacting club leaders where PHS membership is strong and growing. While Rotary Direct here makes giving among your club members easier, gifts are automatic and allow members to give monthly, quarterly, annually. Encourage enrollment in Rotary Direct and thanks donor who enroll. Thank you. The Rotary Foundation offers grants that support a wide variety of projects, scholarship, as well as training, which Rotary members engage in globally, such as district grant, local grant, disaster response grant, as well as program of skill grant. Starting 2022, Rotary clubs may apply grant to support their service in effort of to serve their own communities. Club and district must be qualified in order to receive grant funding from the Rotary Foundation. The Grant Management Seminar Learning and Grant Management Recertification course have been updated and are available in the Rotary Learning Center. Club and district can use these online courses as part of club qualification process. District that choose to hold their own grant management seminars can use Grant Management Seminars Leaders Guide to plan and conduct the seminar. Funding guidelines in each area of focus are available to members who want to apply for a global grant. Each document includes information specific to that areas of focus about the foundation goals, community assessments, sustainability, what kind of projects are eligible for funding, and which ones are not. Monitoring and evaluation, scholarship, and other resources. The documents are available on the Global Grant page on My Rotary. Community assessments are vital in helping clubs identify the change they want their service activities to achieve. Equally important is collecting baseline data so that clubs can measure the resulting changes. Use the newly updated Conducting Community Assessment Guide to help you carry out the assessment, and the Rotary Impact Handbook to learn how to incorporate concepts of measurement into service activities in order to demonstrate results. If you are applying for a global grant, you must first conduct a community assessment and include the result in your application. Rotary has an array of project planning resources to help members answering questions and solve problems at various stages in the process, including community assessment. Now we come to DEI message. We recognize that being a diverse, equitable, and inclusive organization will enhance the experience that members have in Rotary. It will also allow us to carry out more meaningful and effective service efforts, as well as create open and welcoming environments that appeal to people who want to connect with us. This is the picture of Sumba's lady. During my visit as a district governor, I asked this lady what is the meaning of the tattoo, on her arm. There are two tattoos, and she said that the first tattoo meaning that one kid already passed away, and the other one that she is already married. So this is good to know that we are members. Okay, next. Cultivating diverse, equity, and inclusive culture is essential to realizing our vision of a world where people unite and take action to create lasting change. In 2021 and 2023, Rotary surveyed members to assess and better understand how DEI perceived and experienced by Rotarians and participants across the globe. The results were used to create a framework to evaluate organizational change. Rotary's commitment to diversity, equity, and inclusion is truly exemplified by our Rotary Director Reza from Rotary Club of Waranendo. Born with cerebral palsy, Reza is a shining example of independence and determination. He successfully completed his bachelor and master's degrees in Australia. He successfully completed his master's degree and now works in Semarang. He had been demonstrating his unwavering dedication to his goals. Recently, he took, a leadership role with DGHC here, to lead the President-elect Learning Seminar in Semarang. We are very proud to have Reza as part of our community. And his achievement embodying the spirit of DEI that Rotary strives to uphold. Rotary's Board of Directors also approved a new DEI Code of Conduct to provide a supportive framework for how Rotary members can create and maintain an environment that is collaborative, positive, and healthy for everyone. It asks Rotary members to use the respectful language, be supportive, foster a welcoming and inclusive environment, and also celebrate diversity. Our club, Rotary Club of Semarang Kunti, has shown Rotary's commitment to diversity, equity, and inclusion. We have members from diverse backgrounds, including Sunda and Papua. What's even more remarkable is the establishment of our satellite club in Sunda, Waingapu for the year 2024-2025, which enables us to extend our projects and empower local communities. This demonstrates that we not only talk about DEI, but also put into action. Thank you. Now we come to the last message, which is public image. Public image is one of the most important roles in Rotary. There is a place for you in Rotary if you have vision, drive, and commitment to improve your community in the world. We bring together people of action from around the world to find long-term solutions to the world's most persistent issues. We live in a dynamic time, and we are responding to how the world is changing. People join and remain members of Rotary because they aim to create positive change in their communities around the world, forge meaningful relationships, take part in professional and leadership development opportunities. In Rotary, you can see firsthand the result of your action locally, as well as the international scale, with tangible outcomes and ongoing positive change. We wish to reflect the communities we connect and serve. Our goal is to grow and diversify our membership and participants. Our club exists in many different formats
and staff as they work to mirror our communities in terms of gender, age, culture, socio-economic status, and other characteristics. Our work is often complex, and we want to ensure that our efforts are regionally and culturally relevant. We encourage flexibility in our club to offer a variety of meeting experiences and service opportunities. Diversity allows us to bring about lasting changes. As we grow and diversify, we expand our capacity to bring about positive changes both locally and globally. Our effort to eradicate polio is a proof point of what we are able to achieve when we expand our reach and work with partners. We have almost worldwide presence that we can leverage to be both global and local. We have formed partnerships with organizations that have shared goals, valuable expertise, complementary strengths. Together we can advance causes further than we could alone. As we come to close of this speech, let's make the most of every session, every discussion, every opportunities to learn and grow together. I encourage you all to be present, be curious, and be inspired. Welcome to the Rotary District 3410 Conference. Let's make it unforgettable one. Thank you.
Luar biasa, terima kasih sekali Bu Diji yang telah menyampaikan inspirasi dan juga wawasan yang membuat kita semakin bangga. Rotary Pride kita aja untuk membuat sesuatu yang lebih baik dan signifikan.
My role today is just to give a snapshot what is happening in 3 countries, Zone 1B, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Indonesia. Okay, our PowerPoint. So these are the 3 leaders. I am very thankful to our EMGA PTGFA because originally the RRFC from Pakistan resigned, and EFA told me, Rudy, you have to take over. Thank you. So basically, under my leadership, we have this Pakistan. Only 1 district, there are 2 districts in Pakistan, but only 1 is active under our responsibility. 3271. Pak Budi is assigned on 3410. I think you have to work hard 24 hours a day. Pak Budi, and also RRFC Thomas Aquinas. So these are the 3. Next, 3 countries, Bangladesh, not under my responsibility, suspended. Pakistan, only 1 out of 2 under my responsibility. So basically 100% Indonesia, 50% Pakistan, and 0 in Bangladesh. The people are reporting directly to RI President with appointed responsible leader. Next. So this is the statistics as of April 30. What is the collection and targets? Remember, as a district governor, you have a KPI, key performance indicator. Your key performance indicator is your collection contribution of DRF. Not only public image and projects, but also your participation on Rotary Foundation. So, in total, 3 countries, we have only 53.9% against the target. Remember, each district governor has target. Governor Daniel has a target. Governor Susana has a target. And you have to deliver that. That is our responsibility. Remember, Rotary is a volunteer organization. we are operating and managed like a private corporation. What is your target? What is your performance? Every quarter, they ask the performance. You see, we are a volunteer organization, very unique. Akan tetapi, selalu ada monitoring. Okay? So, ini performance kita in the last 5 years. The best years, 2021, 2022, the rest in terms of performance, we are below target. Next. So, 5 years total giving by annual fund, polio class, other fund, endowment. So, fellow Rotarians, I am honored and proud to say that the new endowment leader will be PDG-EFA starting July 1st, 2020. So, he has to deliver. And she whispered to me, DGE Sunny, he has already $60,000. Okay? So that is the initial capital of DGE Sunny. So you see the performance, total giving for the 3 countries, again, 2021-22 and 2021 are good performance. Next. 2024 giving, yeah, 63, 64, 65 suspended. They are reporting directly to RI President. Under our watch, 3271, the total giving is about 60,000. Governor Daniel, 18,000. I don't know how much is the target. DG Supana is $181,000. So this is the performance based on the statistics that we got. Next. So these are some of the PHF, benefactor, the Quest Society, major donor for the last 5 years in 3 countries. So our EMGA, PDG-EFA will monitor particularly these major contributors. I don't know whether we can go to Pakistan. Now Pakistan and India are war. So that's a problem. PDG-EFA as our endowment leader has also to visit Pakistan. Yes, because that is under responsibility. So these are some of the risks that the Rotary leaders are facing. There is a suspension, there is also a war, but we have to go there to see what's happening. Next. So, goals, global grants approved for 3 countries with a total amount of $700 for the current year, and then also for the last year, 475. Next. Next, okay? So, 25 global grant participation, 3271, 214, and then 3410, 55, 3420, 86. So zone 1B, we have 355, 70% in terms of performance. Global grant, these are the money that are coming for global grant. Next. Next picture. Please click. I'm only having 10 minutes here. Now, District 3410. 3410. Next. 3410, this is the total year's giving. So, Governor Daniel, as of the moment, I hope you can catch up in the next few days, only 18,000. Last year, 23,000 only. And then the year before, I think, who is our governor in 21-22? PDG-2D, 146,000 US. But next year, DGE Sunny promised $200,000. So he has a strategy in his mind how to deliver 200,000. Okay? Next. So the highest giver annual fund, I think PDG Pico will look into this, is Gambir. We have $5,000. $5,000. followed by Jakarta International 2,750. The rest only 500, 1,000, 500, 1,000 other loans, which total 80,000. Okay? Next. Our major donor this year, Pahendra. Where is Pahendra? Is Pahendra here? Pahendra attended the this morning in the stadium. We would like to acknowledge his dedication of fulfilling $10,000. Okay? Thank you very much. Next. So these are the people who contributed 1,000 this year. These are the people who contributed. So PTG Amigo will give them some recognitions. Next. So these are some of the special awards that are given by the Rotary for our contributions. So PTG Amigo is preparing something for us. Next. Now, DG Isani target based on April 13-15 meeting among the incoming club presidents. PTG ever asked every club leader, how much is your TRF? Ada 1,000, 2,000, ada 500, it's okay. But 23 clubs president promised to give 117,000. 23 clubs. So di saat ini masih ada 20 klub yang belum ada komitmen. Sebelum terakhir bulan ini tolong telepon mereka supaya yang 117 ini menjadi 150.000. Okay? This is very important. When you visit the club, DG Isani, the first question is, what is your TRF contribution? What is your member commitment? What is your global grant projects and public image? Only 4. Do not talk any chori-chori. Just manage this. Sebab kalau ada masalah dengan 4 ini, KPI, membership, TRF, public image, plus global grant, klub itu ada problem. That is the responsibility of the district governor to address the problem. You see, that is the way how to manage, to control each club. That is my advice, so that we can monitor this TRF contribution. Next. Thank you.
Thank you, and I'm asking for the upgrade.
Demikianlah sesi Rotary Foundation yang telah membuka wawasan kita akan pentingnya berlangsungan program-program kemanusiaan Rotary. Terima kasih kami ucapkan kepada para pembicara atas paparan yang sangat inspiratif dan bermanfaat.
That concludes our Rotary Foundation attestation about